Healthy habits not only help us stay in shape, but also provide a mental health boost. In today's Healthy You, I meet a man who says boxing knocked out his stress and made him feel great. The best way to pick up a healthy habit is to find out what works for others.
Hi, my name is Roy. I'm a licensed barber from Chicago. My healthy habit is boxing. I do it because it helps me stay in shape and it's fun.
Okay, Roy, boxing is a healthy habit that I know and I love. What got you so excited about boxing?
Well, I always watched it when I was a kid. I was like, one day I want to do that, just try it out. But I just like the sport. That's my favorite sport to watch.
Ton of physical benefits when you're boxing. You say that it's changed your life.
Yeah, actually, I lost about 20 pounds and 7 inches in my waist doing it. My cardio has increased. My endurance went up a lot. I have more energy. I just have fun doing it.
And you know what? When you have fun doing a healthy habit, you want to go back and do it more and more. A lot of people do it because it lowers your stress.
Right.
What kind of mental benefits do you feel?
Well, I just feel more relaxed, more serene. And then I do it early in the morning, so it helps me with my day. Choosing boxing as my healthy habit, it gets me out of bed because it's something that I want to do.
And you're a busy guy. You're working 60 hours a week, making sure people look good. How do you fit time into your schedule to make sure you look good?
So the way I do it is I get up real early to do it. And I get it before work, and it helps me feel great when I'm at work because it's something I want to do and want to get better at. I get up to go do it. It's a good start to my day.
And you're going every day?
5 days a week.
Perfect. I love boxing. So are you ready to show me some of your moves?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't beat me up too much. Boom, 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 boom.
I love it. All right, if you have a healthy habit you want to show us, tell us on Facebook or Twitter, or tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.